In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize your drawings using the Grease Pencil in Blender. This is a fantastic tool for artists looking to bring their sketches and animations to life in a 3D environment. Whether you're new to Blender or have some experience, these steps will help you make the most out of the Grease Pencil feature. To kick things off, you'll want to set up your scene. Start by adding a new blank Grease Pencil object. You do this by navigating to the Add menu, scrolling down to Grease Pencil, and selecting Blank. This creates a clean slate for your artwork. Now, to enhance your drawing process, you might want to consider adding a mesh object as a base. Think of this as your canvas, offering a structure to work upon. Next, take a moment to position your camera. It's important because grease pencil drawings are often viewed from specific angles. Setting the right camera angle will ensure that your final composition looks exactly how you envision it. Moving on, let's explore the drawing process itself. You have the option to either draw directly on 3D surfaces or an open 3D space, and I'll guide you through both methods. If you choose to draw on a 3D surface, you'll need to enter draw mode for your grease pencil object. Within the stroke settings, look for the placement option and select surface. This setting allows your strokes to adhere to your chosen mesh object. It's a good idea to tweak the offset value slightly, aiming for a small positive number like 0.01. This ensures your stroke sits neatly atop the mesh without any unsightly gaps or overlaps. But if you prefer more creative freedom, drawing in 3D space is a great option. Go back to your stroke settings and select the 3D cursor placement. By holding down Shift and right-clicking, you can precisely position your 3D cursor wherever you want to start drawing. This method anchors your strokes to that point in 3D space, giving you complete liberty to create intricate designs floating in midair. Once you've sketched out your design, it's time to organize your artwork. The Layers panel in Blender is your best friend here. You can create new layers for separate elements like backgrounds, characters, or finer details. This separation helps in managing your drawing efficiently, and you can easily hide or lock layers to avoid any accidental edits. It's also worth noting that you have the flexibility to either create a new grease pencil object for each layer or simply manage multiple layers within a single object. This organizational step is crucial for complex projects, enabling you to keep everything tidy and easily navigable. And there you have it, a detailed guide to using the grease pencil in Blender to create stunning visual artwork. With these foundational steps, you're well on your way to mastering digital drawing in 3D space. Happy drawing!